Mr. Daniel, you're the same person that's been indicted in this cause for capital murder, which is a capital felony.
Yes.
And you understand that the punishment for this offense carries life imprisonment without the possibility of parole, and or the death penalty as authorized by the state of Texas, you understand. To the allegation of capital murder as alleged in this indictment, how do you plead?
Not guilty.
And you understand that we have been arranging, and you are electing to have a trial by jury for this offense, is that correct?
Yes.
How are you preparing for trial to begin next month?
Well, we've been working very hard. We have volumes and volumes of discovery, and we have discs and discs and discs of discovery that we've been going through for months and months. We have investigators working on the case. We have mental health experts working on the case and other experts working on the case. We've been talking to Brandon at great length about his perspective and his life. We've been talking to his family members. We've been talking to people out of state. We've been talking to people all over the country. So there's a tremendous amount of work that we've been doing, that we'll continue doing, to be ready for trial when we come up for trial next month.
Can you talk about this plea deal? You guys were really working and hoping that that actually was a possibility?
We were actually very surprised that there just is no possibility to work this case out. This, to us, appears to be a case that should be worked out, that this doesn't look to us like a typical death penalty case. So frankly, we were very surprised and thought there was a very strong possibility that we might be able to avoid a trial.
You said you didn't think this was a death penalty case. Can you elaborate on why?
Well, sure. I think if you're thinking about what case is appropriate for the death penalty, it ought to be both the facts of the case and the facts of the individual defendant who's charged with the case. Is that person a person that's always going to be so dangerous and violent that we just can't afford to have them in our society, whether even in jail society, because they're such a danger to other people, whether it's other inmates or prison guards? Come on, Brandon Daniel's not that guy. He's a 20-something-year-old computer scientist, for goodness sakes. He's not the kind of person who is a physical danger to cause criminal acts of violence in the future, especially in a controlled prison environment. So we think it's very clear Brandon Daniel's not the kind of person that the death penalty statute was designed